The simulator you are viewing consists of a small vertical boiler, gas-fired, connected to a large pressure gauge on the left-hand side, giving current boiler pressure. The first test is a steam injector designed for 12 ounce per minute capacity to operate from 80 psi down to 20 psi. So we switch it on, and straight away we've got water coming from the outlet. We've got a boiler pressure of about 70, and we've got a delivery pressure of about 75 more. We now turn it off, and we'll allow our boiler, because we've turned our gas off, we'll allow it to drop to say 65. We switch it on. Nothing coming from the overflow, and we've got water flowing from the delivery. We'll now turn it off. We'll allow our pressure to come down to about 55, 56. We switch our steam on. Straight away our delivery pressure is higher than our boiler pressure, and water's flowing out over the delivery. We switch it off. Now at this stage we actually can start to just reduce our water inlet pressure. We turn it on. We've got 50 psi on the delivery, and we've got about 42 on our boiler pressure. Water flowing out. Switch it off again. We're down to 40. We switch it on. Nothing coming out of the overflow. Running dry. And we've got water coming from our delivery side. We'll now start to tune our inlet water, because that will be starting to get a bit too much coming in. Our boiler pressure's down to 30. And the unit's still operating. It's now down below 30. We'll turn our water off a bit more. It's just starting to drip on the, no longer running dry, so we just reduce our inlet water a bit. And we're now down to 25. Although it's dripping a bit, we're still operating down below 50, at about 24. And although it's dripping, we're now down to 20. We're nearly down to 20, still operating. It's now, and it's just about ready, I think, to collapse on us. We're down below 20. No, we just give it a bit more water, and it's still coming out. It's still dry, and we're down to 16, about 16 psi. And you'll note that our delivery pressure is still at about 28 odd. We're down to 15 psi. We're starting to get a drip. We just tune it a bit more, and we're still getting it. And we're now down to 14 psi, and the system is still operating. We tune our water, and it collapsed finally collapsed at about 12 psi. To me, the advantages of the simulator is it allows the operator to diagnose faults such as annular ring gap, incorrect sizing of orifices in steam cones, delivery cones, the measuring of the inlet water temperature, the measuring of the delivery temperature to the boiler, etc., etc. It is a wonderful diagnostic tool. Thank you.